When most people think of a person with a disability, very rarely do they think of me. But I was born with one thumb on right hand, 3 toes on one foot and 4 on the other. Unless you're barefoot with me in a hot yoga or modern dance class, you would have no idea that I live with what is often referred to as a non-severe disability. But guys, it's actually kind of cool. It's like I'm this undercover agent living in 2 worlds, and I get to see life from these 2 different sides. One, where I'm labeled normal, whatever that is. Another, where I'm labeled less than, or sometimes even different. It's really interesting, though, because this is my favorite part about being me, because it's the part that informs how I see and think about people with disabilities and how we live and how we dress. My life's work is disability fashion styling, how to take styling and content creation in order to change negative perceptions of people with disabilities. And that's when I had my aha moment. You can't market to people you don't see. And you just can't see people that you don't value. And I don't mean value as human beings. I mean value as potential fashion customers. And what I've noticed is over the last 24 years, there have been a number of barriers that cause us not to do this. So, barrier number 1, or myth number 1, as I like to say, people with disabilities, people with disabilities are all the same. No, we're not. Kathy Snow is a disability advocate and a mom of a child with a disability, and she always says, people with disabilities are people first. And I'd like to add to that, and like all people, have individual needs. Myth number 2, designing is just too difficult. We can't design for, are you kidding me? Look, we've had niche markets for how many decades? And although I don't like the way we describe them, we have maternity, we have plus size, petite, busty, all of this. And guys, if we can dress him, I am convinced that we can dress people with disabilities. People with disabilities can't afford it is myth number 3. We don't want to go shopping. We have too many other things to focus on. Really? No one gave me that memo. But the World Health Organization says that people with disabilities, 1.3 billion people, their family and friends, 2.1 billion people. Senior citizens, 650 million people with an aggregate disposable income of $8 trillion.